Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to run C++ in Visual Studio Code. To run the C++, we also need a software which is Visual Studio Community along with Visual Studio Coder. So you have to make sure you have both. If you don't have it, then you have to simply go to the Microsoft Store. You can simply search for it. Once you get it from the results, you have to click onto its icon and a Microsoft will open, and once it gets open, then you have to simply search for Visual Studio Community. Once you write for it from the results, you will get it. Basically, Visual Studio Community is the coder for C++, so therefore it is necessary to install it. So once the installation is done, then after that it will open like this. Now you have to simply log in using your account, or you can skip for that, and after that you have to choose the C++. You can also choose the theme if you would like to, then go to the next step. Now it will just take a while, and after that it will open. Then from this page you have to click on this last option, continue without code, and after that it will open. Once it gets open, then you will see different options at the top. You have to click onto this one which is called the tools. Once you click onto it, then you have to click on get tools and features, and after that it will open like this. Once it gets open, initially it will take a while into loading. Then after that you have to simply find all of the options related to C++. So basically it offers you different modules like for the app development and for other purposes. So you have to simply choose the one that you require. If you want all of them, you can select them all, and after that you have to simply install them. Once you have selected your desired options, then you have to click onto the option modify, and after that the installation and the downloading will begin. This will again take like 2 to 3 minutes, and once it gets done, then it will show you this next window. Here you have to click on create a new project, and after that from these all options you have to simply select the C++, and based on it you will get the options. Again, simply select in which you would like to work in. Once you have selected, then you have to simply click on next. Then you have to simply give a name to your project, and you also can check where you would like to place this work, and after that you have to click on create, and then the project will start. So this loading will again take like 2 to 3 minutes, and you will be onto this page, and here you will be able to see you can run C++. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.